the start of day 2. Looking forward to a very busy day, I'm sure, and see you on the other side. During today, we've seen a number of people, lots of different use cases, all centred around how the mobile application can be used to deliver all sorts of value, unlock value to the product. We've got our standard range of modules, but interestingly today we've been speaking a lot about Bluetooth connectivity and also bringing IoT data down onto the mobile device.
It's been going really well so far. We are Elder and we are precision manufacturers for plastic and metal components.
Yeah, so we've got one of our entry-level machines with us today. As you can see, it's whirring around, it's quite mesmerising. But yeah, so we've had a nice turnout today, especially with a lot of people coming down and having a look, and yeah, it's been really good. It's been really good so far. Yeah, it was extremely busy. A lot of people walking through the corridor and a lot of people coming and having a look. So yeah, it's a really good turnout today. Yeah.
Right, and you mentioned already to me that is that you rebooked for next year already?
We have already. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of people where their user base is global. And so the idea of being able to translate everything on the fly to multiple languages is becoming a real big important area of concern, but also an area to add value for the manufacturers.